customers of general office reports, such as any shopping and social devices, and wheelchair walkers, as well as any strollers or car seats that need to be inside. Please do so before we begin our boarding process. There are regulations for all meals, carry-on items, more than overhead bars, service regulars,
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of myself, Tyler, and Kellyanne, we'd like to welcome you to your flight today, Flight 866 on Alaska Airlines with service to Los Angeles. We will be anticipating a full flight today. Overhead bin space will be limited. We are offering complimentary check-in carry-on bags. Looking to check 16 bags here free of charge. Once again, we are offering complimentary check-in carry-on bags. Looking to check 60 bags here free of charge. If you are interested in checking in the carry-on bag, please see me here at the front service podium. Also, for any guests traveling with car seats, strollers, wheelchairs, any assistive devices, see me here prior to the boarding process for an orange tag. Once again, we are offering complimentary check-in carry-on bags. If you are interested, please see me here. If we don't get the 15 bags that we do need, we'll start checking bags with groups. Also, please know we do board by groups. If you don't have a boarding group, please board with group Everson Frank. Oh.
Flight 866 with service to Los Angeles. Gonna get Pushback here shortly. Once we do get airborne, 4 hours and 18 minutes. I am anticipating some turbulence at the beginning of the flight. So if I do have that seatbelt sign on, please stay in your seats with your seatbelts fastened. Right now, LA has winds out of the west, 11 knots, 10 miles on the visibility with 58 degrees. Got a great in-flight team today. If there's anything you need, please don't hesitate to ask them. Just sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
And once again, aloha, good afternoon. Welcome aboard Alaska Airlines Flight 866 on our way to Los Angeles. So happy to have you with us. Your crew today is Captain Gary. He's assisted by First Officer Brian. I'm Tandy, and with me are Sebastian in first class, Peggy's at the divider, and Natalie in mid-cabin. Safety is our highest priority. We appreciate your attention while we share some important safety information. Please review the safety information card in front of you, which shows what to do in the unlikely event of an emergency. You'll note that we have 8 emergency exits. There are 2 doors forward, 4 window exits at the wings, and 2 doors aft. The 4 doors are equipped with evacuation slides. All of your exits are marked with red and white signs, and a dark cabin floor level lighting will mark the route to the exit. So please take a moment to look around and locate your nearest exit. Please note it may be behind you. And in an evacuation, you want to leave all carried-on items behind. And now to fasten your seatbelt, place the flat end into the buckle, tighten by pulling on the strap, and unbuckle by lifting on the top. Keep your seatbelt fastened low and tight whenever you are seated and remain in your seat when the seatbelt sign is on. If needed, an oxygen mask will drop from the panel above. Stay seated and pull down on the oxygen mask to start the flow of oxygen. Remove any face coverings, then place the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth and secure the mask with the elastic band. Tighten by pulling on the end and the bag will not inflate, however oxygen will be flowing. Put your mask on before helping others and keep it on till you're advised by a crew member it's no longer necessary. Single chamber life vests are located in the compartment overhead. Infant life vests will be provided if needed. Once again, help us get ready for takeoff by making sure your seatbelt's fastened, your seat back tray table and tablet holder are up, and footrests in first class are stowed. All bags and larger items, including laptops and tablets with keyboards, are completely stowed under the seat in front of you. You may continue to use smaller devices in airplane mode. And if you're seated in an exit row, ensure that the window shades are open and devices are unplugged from seat power. And we do hope you enjoy our very quick flight of 4 hours and 18 minutes to Los Angeles. Welcome aboard.
Flight attention now, proceed for takeoff, please.
water, soft drinks, and juices. And we do have beer, wine, champagne, and alcohol for purchase. Once again, we invite you to relax and enjoy our quick flight on over to Los Angeles. Thank you.
headed to the Los Angeles area. You can seatbelt sign on for a while. If there's any last minute business you have to take care of, I would do it now. Once I do turn that seatbelt sign on, it will stay illuminated until we get to the gate. On behalf of the flight crew, I'd like to thank you for flying on Alaska Airlines. Hope you enjoyed the flight.
Okay, we're on our final approach now into Los Angeles. Lavatories are locked at this time. And you do need to remain seated for the duration of our flight. Please double check, make sure that your seatbelts are securely fastened. Your tray tables and seat bags are in the up and lock position. Any carry-on items you brought up during flight need to be properly stowed. If you're seated at an emergency exit row, please unplug from seat power. Make sure that your window shades are open. If you're in first class, please have your footrest in the up position. The flight attendants will be passing through the aisles now to collect any service items. Please pass those to them. Thank you. Welcome to Los Angeles. Local time is 11:09. We've got you here nice and early. We are 3 hours ahead of Honolulu time. We are in an active taxiway. You must remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened. Your one and only indication to get up and move about will be when the captain turns that fasten seatbelt sign off.